Welcome to Engineers Academy. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification for the upcoming videos. Now I will solve this problem 110. So it is said that if M is the center of the face ABCD, so this is the face ABCD and this M is the center, geometric center of this face, right? So it is said that express F as a vector in terms of the unit vectors I, J and K. So this is the F, and the line of action of this force is from origin and passing this midpoint M, right? So we need to determine this F vector, and we are also asked that determine the scalar projection of F along line AE. So we will find the scalar projection. So we will find the magnitude of the projection of F along line AE, right? So first I will find the coordinates of point M, right? So the coordinates of point M. So here I have drawn these two yellow lines. So to reach this M point, we will travel this half distance along X. So it will be A divided by 2. Since this whole length is A, so it will be A divided by 2. Since this M is the midpoint of this face, right? The center of this face, right? So we will travel A by 2. So I will write plus A by 2. Similarly, we will travel plus B in the positive Y direction. So this is the positive Y, so we will write plus B. And in the Z direction, we will travel C by 2. So the whole length is C, so this length will be C divided by 2. So I will write C divided by 2. Right, so this will be plus. So these are the coordinates of M. So we will find the F vector. So F vector is equal to F magnitude multiplied by the unit vector, and unit vector will be OM. So F magnitude, and this will be OM vector divided by OM magnitude. So now it will be equal to F, and OM will be A by 2I plus BJ plus C by 2K, right? And I can write it like this. So it will, the magnitude of this will be A by 2 whole square plus B square plus C by 2 square under the root 2, right? And if I simplify this, so this F vector, we can write it here. So this F vector will be equal to, and if I multiply and divide this by 2, right, so we will get like this. So if I multiply and divide this by 2, let me write it here. So if I multiply and divide this by 2, let's suppose, so 2 and 2 here, right? So now we can write it like this. So then F vector will be equal to, so then there's F magnitude, and when we multiply this 2, so then it will be AI plus 2BJ and plus CK, right? And here if this 2 goes inside, so then it becomes 4, right? So it will be 4, and this will become A square by 4. So it will be A square by 4, and this 4 will be multiplied with each one, right? So this will be plus 4B square plus 4C square divided by 4 under the root, right? So this will become, F will be equal to AI plus 2BJ plus CK, and this 4 will be cancelled out, so we will be left with A square plus 4B square plus C square. Now we will find the projection of F along line AE. So it will be FAE, right? And we will find the magnitude. So it will be equal to F vector multiplied by the unit vector AE, right? And it will be equal to F vector, and this will be equal to AE divided by AE magnitude, right? So now we will find the coordinates of A and E. So we already, so this is point A, right? And this is E. So now as we can see that to reach this point E, we only need to travel in the Z direction, and that is equal to C, right? So 0, 0 and plus C. These are the coordinates of this E point. To reach this point A, what we will do is that we will travel in the positive x direction. How much? So this a, right? So if I write the coordinates of a, so the coordinates of a will be equal to a plus a, then we will travel plus b, and then we will travel plus c. So I will write it like this, right? So this is a and this is e, right? So let me write it here as well. So it will be e 0 0 and plus c, right? So now what we will do is that we will subtract the coordinates of a from e to get that ae vector, right? So it will be 0 minus ai plus 0 minus bj plus c minus ck, right? So this will be that ae vector, and here if I write, so it will be minus a whole square. So this will become minus a, this will become minus b, so I will write plus minus b whole square, and this will become 0. So we will be left with this, right? And here we will multiply this whole thing with that f vector, right? So if I write, so this will be f a e magnitude and f vector. So f vector is this one, right? So I will write, let me simplify this first. So this will be f vector, and this will become minus ai minus bj and 0k, and divided by a square plus b square under the root, right? And now if I remove this f and if I place its value, right? So that f vector, this will be multiplied with this f. So this is that f, right? So I will write f into ai plus 2bj plus ck divided by a square plus 4b square plus c square under the root, right? So this will become f divided by a square plus b square under the root 2 and a square plus b square, 4b square plus c square, and we will multiply these two vectors, right? So if I multiply this, so it will be minus a square, so this will be minus a square, and I dot I is 1, right? And similarly I will multiply this, so it will be minus 2b whole square, and j dot j will be 1, right? So we will have this one, right? So we can write f a e magnitude. If I take minus as common, so it will be minus f a square plus 2b square divided by a square plus b square under the root, and this will be a square plus 4b square plus c square under the root. So this is the magnitude, the scalar projection of f along AE. So this is the solution of this problem.